Hey everybody, it's Paul.
And Shannon.
And we are back in Mickey's Winter Village with a toy opening.
Yay, toy opening.
Yay. So we have all kinds of fun, cool stuff today. We have Moshi Monsters, we have My Little Pony, Looney Tunes. Oh, we have a Kinder Egg. And there's a Shopkins egg back here in a Shopkins Season 4.
Awesome.
Over there, and all kinds of cool stuff. So what do you think I should open first, Shannon?
The Tokidoki Royal Pride figure.
Okay. So this is the Tokidoki Royal Pride figure, and these are all cat characters. And I love the box on these because it looks like a subway car.
Yep. Cats in a subway.
Cats in a subway.
Nothing good can come from that.
No. Okay, where's my tear strip at? There it is. They make it hard to find sometimes.
They do. Oh!
Oh! It's a lion!
He's awesome!
He is awesome.
He kind of reminds me of Weird Al. Like the cheese sandwich, My Little Pony.
A
Weird
little
Al.
bit, yeah, with the big hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, he does. Okay, and he has a little chain in his hand. Oh, and his arms move. Cool. I was worried about that because the chain was down below his foot. I was like, how's he going to stand? But cool. Let's put him right there. He's really a lot of fun. All right. Next up, I want to open up the Moshi Monster. So these are the Moshi Monster originals. And we have had a lot of fun opening these, but we don't know a lot of the names, so you're going to have to help us out. We get a card. Oh, I like that. Coco Loco.
Coco Loco.
He's
That's
ultra
awesome.
rare. We have never gotten that figure.
Nope.
I would like it if we got it right here.
Ooh.
Oh, look at him.
That's a new figure for us.
That is a new figure. He's got a little microphone.
That's you singing.
I don't know who that is.
It's you. It's
me.
Paul.
It's Paul.
the Paul Moshi Monster.
A Paul Moshi Monster.
Yep.
Wow. Very cool.
Or Justin Bieber. I don't know.
Justin Bieber. Baby, baby, baby. Oh! Very cool. All right, and then we got Odie, the donut. And we love the donut. It's very
Yes,
cute. Like his
Paul
little
is a
eyeballs.
big donut fan.
There's Odie's eyeballs right there at the bottom of the screen. Okay. Let's see. What do we want to open now? I think we'll open up the Looney Tunes, and then we'll open up the Shopkins Season 4.
Show the Looney Tunes.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so these are the Looney Tunes. These are by Kid Robot, and these figures are really neat.
And we're still missing some.
We are. We don't have Yosemite Sam, Porky Pig, or Pepe Le Pew. I think that's it. So I hope we get one of those, but they're all cool. Let's see who we got. Oh!
Ooh!
We got Pepe Le Pew.
Oh my goodness, he's hysterical. I love him.
He's like, hello, Shannon.
Hello, Pepe.
And he has a little rose, and he holds the rose right here in his teeth. Somewhere, hang on, let's see how this works. There we go.
Wow, that fits in there good.
It does. That is right, it does fit in there good. I shall not be dropping the rules while I woo you with my charisma. You are powerless to resist.
That's pretty funny.
He's really cool. I like him. I like his little stripy mohawk. Okay, Shopkins Season 4.
Woo!
Ooh, it's a 12-pack. So it has Petkins and 2 hidden ones. Let's see who we get. So we got Jilly Jam. She is really cool. I like her a lot.
Yeah. The Petkins are pretty fun.
Yeah, she is one of my favorites, though. Okay, we got Cookie Nut.
Do we need that color?
We need this color.
Awesome.
So that is cool. I think this is a pistachio cookie.
Yeah.
That's what I'm going with, because that's the color of a pistachio. Here is Miss Pressy. We love this color combination. We have Merry
Wishes.
Merry Wishes. Mary Wishes is a beautiful little cupcake. Love the frosting on her. We have Millie Mushroom, who wants to be part of the Singing Silly Chilies.
Yes.
Oh, my name is Millie, and I go, I just, Hey, when you have a name like Millie Mushroom, they hum. This one is a berry smoothie.
Yep.
I think, and she's a lot of fun too. I like her. Okay, we have the cheeky cherries in the little yellowish color, yellowish orange. They look really cool. We have minty.
I love that color, minty.
I like this color too. This looks really awesome. Minty. It's a little plant. Milk Bud, who is one of the fan favorites.
Yep. Another petkin.
Another petkin. And last but not least, we have Cindy Bond.
Do we need her
in the
that
red
color?
Sure. I don't think that we do. I think we have both, but I could be wrong. We might need her. That might have been a good pack. We might have needed two of those people. And then we got the hidden case. Let's see who's in here. If I can open it up. Ooh.
Those new ones? Ooh, an ultra rare.
An ultra rare. I think we need this one. I think we need this color. I could be wrong. It's a little pet collar, and it's pink and sparkly, and it's beautiful.
Yep.
And it's very flat, so you can stack a bunch of them up, which I like. And this one's really cool. Shannon's really going to like this one. I'm pretty sure we need this.
I think we need that one.
This is the earring twins.
And it's
in
awesome.
the pink color, and we don't have that. I'm almost positive of it. I'll have to look at our checklist. Okay. All right, we have a couple things left to open. Let's open up the Littlest Pet Shop first. Then we'll open our Kinder Surprise egg. Here we go. This is really cute. This is a little doggy.
Grumpy.
Yeah, he looks grumpy. Let's see what his little accessory is. Oh, he comes with a little wagon.
You can't be grumpy when you have a wagon.
He's like, yes, I can.
Where's his little deco bit?
I can be grumpy no matter what.
Whoa,
even in a little wagon.
He has a bonnet.
Oh, no wonder he's grumpy.
That's why he's grumpy.
That's going to be why he's grumpy. Hang on, that's not the way it goes.
It's funny, on that picture they show him in a stroller.
Okay. Uh-oh, I broke the little deco bit part. Uh-oh. Let's see if I can get it lined up here. Ah, good, got it. There we go. There he is in his little bonnet. And now he's in the wagon. And now he is properly grumpy. He's like, and you can see why.
And we have a special little surprise for Simon.
Uh-oh.
Somebody sent this mouse toy for Simon. It was sitting here, so I stuck it inside the Shopkins case to show you can put stuff inside of here.
Oh, that's cute.
Simon's gonna be like, why is my toy in there?
Yeah, very cute. Okay, this is a Kinder Surprise egg that has turned into a Kinder Surprise square. A viewer sent these to us, and I guess they sat in the mail truck a little bit too long where it was really hot, and they melted. And that's okay, because they're still a lot of fun. The chocolate is still yummy. We can attest to that. Let's see if I can get it open. Once they melt, they get really hard to open. Open sesame! Alright, we're just going to try and break it from here. Get the chocolate later.
Exploding egg!
That didn't do too bad. Okay. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, we got a motorcycle.
We did.
Okay, let me set that aside. It's a little yellow motorcycle. Ooh, and it's one that revs up. Oh, we are going to have fun with this. Okay, I'm going to have to clean the chocolate up off the table, and we'll show you this. So here's our toy. It's part of the Sprinty line. And it says, what, rev it up twice and then let it go? Oh yeah, I see. Whoa!
Wow.
That's really cool.
That drives good.
Sure does. Let's do it again.
Here it comes. Let's see. Oh,
Uh-oh.
it tipped.
Doesn't ride with a wheelie. Or does it? Oh!
It does!
It does! Those are so much fun. That's awesome. Thank you. All right. One more thing before our surprise Shopkins egg over there. The yellow egg of awesomeness. So these are Funko Mystery Minis, My Little Pony. This is series 3. And here are the people you can get. And these are awesome. Let's see what we get. This is a little one.
Spike, maybe.
Might be Spike.
Or one of the Cutie Mark Crusaders.
Nope, you were right. It is Spike. Hello, everybody.
I like him.
I do too.
I like him in that color a lot, because that's not his normal color.
No, it's not. He's really cute. Awesome. All right, now we just have the Shopkins surprise egg.
All right, so I'm going to open up the Shopkins surprise egg.
Perfect.
Let's move our camera down so we can see what comes out of this awesome egg. What do you guys think it's going to be? Hopefully something Shopkins.
Hopefully.
Let's see. Whoa, it's filled with all kinds of Shopkins baubles. Let's open the first one and see what's inside. Ooh, sounds like something interesting is in here. It is! It's a Play-Doh ball inside. Yay, a Play-Doh ball. Cool. Awesome. Okay, let's open the next one. Oh, wait, you think there's something inside the Play-Doh ball? Let's check it out and see.
There's probably something in there.
Let's see. Oh, this is nice, soft Play-Doh. With Crispy Chip from Season 1. Yay, Shopkins.
Yay, Season 1.
All right, another one. Oh, it has green Play-Doh inside of it. Let's see what's in here. It's Wobbles from Season 1. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble.
It's a wobble bobble.
A wobble bobble. There you go. All right, here's another one. Ooh, this one has blue Play-Doh inside. Let's see what's in here. It's Strawberry Kiss from Season 1. Super awesome.
Very cool.
Okay, we have 2 left. Which one should we open first? I think this one.
That one? Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Ooh, this one sounds different. What's in here? Oh, we have Shopkins not in Play-Doh. We have Suzanne from Season 3. And Cheesy Bee from Season 1. Those are really cool.
Those are cool. I haven't seen Cheesy Bee in a while.
Yeah. All right, last bauble. Another Play-Doh bubble. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, who's that? If you guessed Polly Polish from Season 1, you're correct. Awesome. Well, there were a lot of fun surprises in this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to PS Toy Reviews so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you later.
So today we even have some different things in our Goodie Palooza because Season 4 is here. So we have some of those as well.
Woohoo.
So let's just get started. What should we open first, Paul?
How about the Season 4 2-pack?
All right, start right off with Season 4. So this is a 2-pack. They're awesome.